Hi ladies, let's talk about the RADIANSOME 100 Mature Skincare line. Now this is the one that was included in some of your travel kits and some of you are using them. Some have to wait until their skin heals first. But we call it the RAD 100 line. The RAD 100 line is for very dry, mature skin. It's not for oily skin. If you have oily skin, it's an oil-based line. It will break you out, so it's not for you. If you have super sensitive skin, you cannot start all the products at once. You have to ease your way into them. So tonight I'm going to show you how simple this product is and how quick and easy it is to use. And if you feel you need extra hydration, if you have deep lines and wrinkles, if you have a lot of sagging, if you have really dehydrated skin and you're using the ICD line and you want some extra at nighttime, this is a nighttime ritual. It's oil-based. It goes on your skin so that it gives it that 8 hours to sink in and plump up and hydrate your skin. So I already cleansed with my oil cleanser and my snow enzyme cleanser, so my face is nice and clean. Now I'm going to go into the simple 3-step ritual. So it is your toner, it is your ampoule, and it is your cream. So I have really dry skin and this made a huge difference in my skin. It's great for brightening the skin. So if you have age spots, if you have sunspots, if you have hyperpigmentation, it's beautiful on that, and that is the ampoule. The ampoule is hypercharged with those ingredients that help brighten the skin. And then the cream is for the hydration. The cream really, this is the oil-based, all oil-based. This is oil and water, same with the toner, but this is oil-based, and this will really help lock in the moisture and help deeply hydrate the skin. The way it was processed, the molecules are super, super tiny so that they sink deep into your skin so that they can hydrate from within. And then you wake up and your skin is gorgeous. We're gonna start with the toner. Just give it a shake. These are glass bottles and they have to be in glass bottles. They cannot be in the clear jars because they will disintegrate. You will come back, if you put them in a sample bottle to travel with, it'll be empty. Something that's opaque so that it doesn't get affected by the sun. So toner, I love toner. If you ever use any other Korean skincare, the rice toners, this is like a rice toner. So I put it in the middle of my hand and then I love the toner. I love it. It's got a very light scent. Very, very light. Nothing is, with RIMAN, nothing is added fragrance. It is all plant-based. It's all phthalate-free, phosphate-free. Now, put on your eyelids. So I'm gonna let them soak in for a minute. Take my little dollar store fan. But I posted a video earlier this month, or last month, and it was during one of the classes, and I saved it and put it in there. And it's Stephanie, and she's talking about the RAD line and all the benefits, but she does an amazing job. So I'll bump that to the top or tag. If anybody wants to be tagged in that, comment below and then just say info, and then I can tag you in that video and you can see and watch that. But she does an amazing job. There's so many complexes that are unique and patented to RIMAN that these products are not like anything you ever buy in the store. And we're gonna go into the ampoule. I'm going to turn the cover, you press, and yeah, this is the one. So you get one stopper full. It only fills halfway. You want to really lightly press this in. Do your eyelids, do your crow's feet. Now if you have dark under eyes and you have oily skin, you can still use this. Just tap a little, or if you have age spots, just tap a little bit on your fingers and tap it under. And then you can tap it on any age spots. And it makes a world of difference. It really lightens and brightens the skin. Plus it adds beautiful hydration. It feels so good on your skin. And I love that this is a really easy ritual. There's only 3 steps to it. So I love that as well. You get away with a little more lazy girl skincare routine at nighttime. I'm gonna blend that in. Let it soak in. Now this is oil-based, so it's gonna take longer to soak into your skin. But just give it like 30 seconds. Have a glass of water, you know, get your jammies on, and then you can go into the other products. Now let's do our cream. So the cream is the oil-based product, and this is for deep, deep hydration. One of the things is like, how dry is your skin? Do you have really, really deep wrinkles? They say it's like 60 plus. I'm 58. and I have deep wrinkles, especially around my lips. So I like this for that. And I have very dehydrated skin. And I love that extra hydration that I get from it. So it has a small applicator. So you want to use your applicator, take a little bit off. That's probably too much, but I got it on there now, so I'm going to use it. So there it is there. And again, press the product onto the skin. I like to press to your neck, to your chest, and then slightly blend that out. So yeah, so if you're looking for the extra hydration, message me and I can get you set up with the cream. You can use the cream at nighttime instead of your dermatology cream. And then if you have age spots and you want brightening, you can use the ampoule at nighttime instead of your booster and your serum. And there. I'm only using like my ring fingers because I want very, very gentle. I touch my face too much when I'm doing my skincare. And I turn very red when I'm doing my skincare. My skin is very sensitive, it's very reactive to touch. So that will dissipate as I sleep. And your skin, you'll notice a huge difference in the brightening on your skin as well, and the hydration. So that's just a red line. 3 easy products. They're more expensive, but you only use them at nighttime, so they'll last you a long time. Phenomenal. If you're looking for more hydration, more deep wrinkle plumping, and more of a glow and more brightness, definitely try the RAD line, RAD 100 line. If you have questions, message me. If you want to see that video from Stephanie, say info below and I'll tag you in that. Okay, ladies, I'll chat with you soon.